Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar, a very cool song from Carpetman. You know that man, half carpet, like a superhero. Anyway, he does Walking Through the Code this time. We had him once before on Going Guitar with a song called What Does It Mean to You? I believe he will be back. I really like his songs. Cool. Maybe not the most guitarish song ever, but yeah, cool to cover. So let's go into this one. We're gonna work without any capo, but therefore we have 2 or actually 3 bar chords. I think that is the best scenario for us still. So yeah. We want the higher notes and everything combined, so that will be the best for us. Let's go into the C sharp minor chord. So have a bar on the 4th fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and go up like this. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's the C sharp minor. Then we have the E. You have a release on your index finger to rest a little bit from the bar chord. So anyway, it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. That's the E chord. Next is the B. We're gonna go with the sus version. So you place index finger on the 2nd fret, same 5 strings to push down if you count from bottom up, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. Then you have this last chord. It's the F sharp. Okay, it's a bar chord still on the 2nd fret. This time you need to push down all strings there and add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Alright, so there you have the chord progression. C, E, B, and F. Alright, we have one string pattern that goes like this. Okay, so it's first 1 down and a clap. And then comes down, up, down, clap. And then you go into the next chord and play the same. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap. Okay, you're gonna play one of these strings per chord. You follow the same chord progression through the entire song. A couple of rounds goes like this. Alright guys, so there you have it, Carpetman's Walking Through the Code. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. I appreciate that a lot. So thank you so much, and play tuned.